Hey guys, and how's it going? And in this interesting video, we are going to be talking about how to tell if you have a Nintendo Switch version 1 or version 2. So basically, this is old versus new. So let's just dive right into the process and see further on that. So right now, as you can see, we are on the Pocket Linked website. This is an amazing guide for Nintendo, and yeah. So the first thing that you need to see is that in old Nintendo Switch versus the new one, we have an model difference. So let me just scroll all the way to the bottom, and here you can see I have something highlighted. So it says that original Nintendo Switch models start with the letters HAC. So additionally, when holding a new Nintendo Switch in your hands, check the model number on the back. The new Nintendo Switch has the number that should read HAC 001 and minus 01, while the original has the model of HAC 001 only. So this is the big difference to identify between version 1 or version 2. Now we have various other um, options to identify. Is that you can simply see check out for the packaging, look at the box containing the switch. So if it looks something like this is the new and latest one. And the packaging for the new Nintendo Switch has bright red background, so you can see in here it is really trendy and looking modern. Now also in the old one, it has a gray background with a hand, right? After that, you have your serial number. So next, confirm the serial number. So you can see the product serial number begins with XKW4, the new ones. And yeah, you can see the new switch should have serial number located at the bottom of the console that starts with XKW. So make sure to check out these. And we have some model codes and numbers. Unfortunately, many online retailers don't show the serial number and may even show packaging for old Switch. So be extra sure when shopping online. You will also need to check the model number on the listing as well. So yeah. So HADSKABAA for the model with blue and red Joy-Con controls. These are the new ones, and uh, for the original ones, it is already discussed. So yeah, you got the point right. So make sure to be super conscious about these type of stuff. And I really hope you found this video informative. And if you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around the next couple of videos.